Hello, this is Greg Hovey. I'm standing here on our beach lot in Kino Bay Estates, and we're selling this lot. Check it. So this could be your view. There are two lots here. We're on the right-hand side here. Just walking over this way so you can see. The clubhouse is right over there on the side of our neighbor. You have a great view of Isla Tiburon, largest island in Mexico, with some of the best yellowtail fishing around. You have a couple little palapas down here, and you could even build your own boathouse, and you would have access down to your own private beach. See, there's some folks down there in the water who are enjoying it. They are also residents here.